Hello everyone, welcome to MudgarClub. I'm Anjit Suhag, a traditional equipment practitioner, and this is our session number 9 of Shena Pushup board series. In this session, we will learn the Shena Sharnavaji variation, the Shena Sharnavaji side bend stretch. So as we know, the Shena Sharnavaji are divided in two parts. The first part is always the push-up part, and in the second part, third and fourth count, we change the variation of way of stretching our body. So the starting point will be the same. We open up our legs wide, put our hands down on the Shena, and then we go for 2 count. 1, 2. Now from here, we come up, and from here, the third and fourth count will start the side bend stretch. From the name only, it is getting clear that we have to bend to the side and then stretch. So in this way, we bend our left knee and put our elbow on our left thigh. From here, we will stretch to the left side and our right hand will go over the head. And in this way, as our right hand is going over the head, our eyes will also follow our hand. So this is count number 3, stretch. Then we relax a bit, straighten our knee, bend the elbow of right hand, and straighten our spine halfway. Then we again go for the fourth count, stretch one more time. So this is 4. Now then again, we go for the 1, 2, this time we will go to the right side. Put your right elbow on the right thigh, bend your right knee slightly, then your left hand will go over the head and your eyes will follow your hand. Then relax a bit, then again stretch. 4. So let me show you in the flow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way, we do the side Shena Sharnavaji side bend stretch. Once we do the left side, the next time we do the right side. In this way, we do the alternative side each time. In this Shena Sharnavaji side stretch, there are just 1-2 important things which you have to remember when you do this. So when you are going for the side stretch, the first thing which is important that your palm face should be facing to the front. It should not be downward. It should be facing to the front. Then only you will get the complete stretch from here. Otherwise, this area will get relaxed and you will not feel the complete stretch. So your palms should be facing to the front and your elbow should be completely straight of your right hand when you are doing the stretching point. The second point is that your eyes will always follow your hand. Your hand, the stretching hand. If you are going to the right side, then your eyes will follow the left hand so that your neck will also get the complete stretch with the spine. So your eyes will follow your hand. And the next important thing that your spine should be straight. It should not be like lethargic and lazy and you are being with the bent spine. It means your spine will be straight and your chest will open up completely. It should not be closed and downward like this. Everything should be in the one line. From the right ankle, the knee straight, completely hip, the chest is open up, and then the hand is going for the stretch. Completely in the one line, not the lazy and the closed one. It should be completely opened up. So these 3 things are important points to remember in Shena Sharnavaji bend stretch. The first, your hand will be facing to the front. Second, your eyes always follow your stretched hand. And the third, your complete body should be in one line. The chest should be open up. The spine should be straight. So in this way, we will do the correct Shena Sharnavaji side bend stretch. Now you can go back to your place, take your Shena Pushup board. We will do 2 rounds together of it from the different angle I will do. And in each round, we will do 10 times of it. Open your legs wide, get in the position. Put your hands down on the Shena. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after completing, you can go to the resting position. Konde, take some breath here. When you get relaxed, then we will do the second round. I will do from the side angle so that you can clearly see that how it looks like from the side angle. From the Konde position only, come to the starting position again. Put your hands down on the Shena. Open your legs wide. We will start. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. After completing, you can go to the resting position. Konde, take some breath here until your breath get relaxed completely. So this was our Shena Sharnavaji side bend stretch. In the next video, we will learn the different variation. So this is a recorded course. And in this video, I'm trying my best to explain the variation, but still, I can't see you. How are you doing and what you are doing? If you want to learn the detailed practice of it in the live classes where I can see you and correct you, then you can join our level 1 certificate course. And if you want to buy really good equipment like Shena Pushup board and other equipment, then you can buy from the MudgarClub website. Thank you. See you in the next video.